Hi, my name's Kelly and I'm in Kitties 205 and I'll be discussing social media marketing and related to my major, which is sports management. And so some useful apps or social media that can be used for sports management is Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and some of these are mentioned on the Moodle page as well. But personally, I think the one that I would use to get my sports management organization or team or whatever it was that I plan to do in the future would be I'd use Facebook, as I believe it's really user friendly and it doesn't matter how old or young you are, you can still use it and be connected to people and your friends and family, both locally, nationally, and overseas as well. So it's a really great tool to keep in contact with people and see what they're doing, and see what they like, and see what articles they've shared and where they've been, stuff like that. So Facebook's really good because you can see what people like what organizations or people, like famous people, and also see like photos that they've uploaded and videos, and even if they've been tagged in photos and videos too. And so, say for instance, if I had a gym and to create more of a, I wanted to get it out there more, so I could create a page and share that with my friends, and so they'd check that page out and hopefully like it, and then this would come up on my other people's news feeds as well, and I hope they would like it, and your friends can share it, and also, like, if I was the admin of the page, I could create events that would be at the gym and then invite my friends to join the gym and eventually join the event that's going on at the gym there. And so this is a great way. It's just like a domino effect, and people can see who you are, what you're doing, and how this is just working out for you. So personally, we have the Louisiana Raging Cajuns women's tennis team on Facebook, and I've shared this and invited my friends to like it on Facebook so they can see what I'm doing while I'm at school here in America and they're in New Zealand, so they can keep in contact with me and see what I'm doing over here. So it's great to keep in touch. And also you could probably get like influential people, like it'd be great if you got famous people or people that you know that go to the gym frequently and they're really fit and they just like to work out and they check into the gym or give it reviews on Facebook and be like, hey, this gym is really good, like you guys should go check it out. And then this would just help a domino effect, like people would just start streaming in. So I think this is really good. Facebook is a really good source for sports management and social media marketing. And thank you for watching.